This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Jordan. Well-maintained ranch home on corner lot of Sanlun Lakes neighborhood on a cul-de-sac. Move-in ready. Practically a maintenance-free with all vinyl exterior and wrapped trim. New roof and leaf guard gutters in 2017. You are welcomed by a quaint enclosed front screened porch with storm doors. This home features custom maple kitchen cabinets and a honey finish with granite countertops. Engineered wood flooring throughout living, dining, hallway and primary bedroom. New wood look laminate in kitchen and foyer. Lots of natural light and neutral paint colors throughout. Centrally located, near LAFB, NASA, shopping, dining and quick access to I-64. Call me today to schedule your private showing. For more information.